live video.
We are.
The live video has started.
It
This
has.
is wonderful.
Hello, you guys.
Good morning.
And this is when we get to find out, is it public or not?
Oh, it should be.
It should be.
Absolutely.
Okay. So no one's arrived.
No one
for the
has
show.
arrived yet. They are coming.
Yes.
But you know what?
Oh, there is someone that's arrived, so
Ooh,
we're okay. Oh,
Amber.
look, it's all green.
Is slip slide no
Facebook keeps doing weird things to us. Hello, Yummy Yes.
The more you do something, the more
Whoops.
you slip slide.
And Emma. And sorry, I
slip
can't.
slide no way.
Tamika, hello. Oh, that's weird. When they make a comment, it's white, and it just tells us when they arrived.
Oh, that's neat.
Joe with an E.
I guess we're not supposed to say
He
like
has
when people arrive. Like
arrived.
Karita has joined.
Curry,
Heike.
hiker.
It's all green. Oh, we gotta love the greenness. Gary, the Green Jackman, is watching.
Is it
Slip
green or
slide
great? Did she say? Well,
whatever.
Slip sliding away. Is that what's happening?
That's
Is it?
today's theme,
Slip
guys.
sliding away.
Andrew
Okay.
is watching.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, it is nipple here today, guys.
Yeah,
it's a wee bit nipple, Walter.
It's cold.
Good morning and welcome to the show. Today we've got a very special show. We've got a Neville Goddard quote. It's show 515. I gotta admit, I'm doing an extra show over the weekend so we can have the 5s on Fridays, because this 5 on Mondays thing is not cutting it for me.
But in 4 more shows, in 1 more call that happens to be at this time, then we're back to normal. So that's all you need to do. Have a call at this time.
I don't like having calls at this time.
Or earlier. What? Okay.
Good morning, Tamika. Green.
Hello, Shri.
Doobie doobie doo.
It was.
How cold will it be there in May? Yeah, it'll be
I
a wee
know.
bit nipple, Joe. It's nothing like. It'll be cool,
Yeah.
right? So,
yeah.
so we don't get cold here. We do get cool, right? So you definitely want to wear. Bring some layers.
Australians
right?
think it's cold.
How big are you? Let me know, because I can always lend you a jumper or something, and you can learn how to say things like jumper and something. It's really
And
cool.
thank you.
Yeah, like thank you and jumper and skivvy and privy. Yeah,
we
we've
can
got
just
all sorts of words
Take
here that
you
you
to
don't
the
know yet.
Savers shop and
We
you
can
can
go to
spend
Savers. It's great fun.
$5. Yeah.
Doobie doobie doo.
Yeah.
That's right. Victoria, Ramona wants your accent.
Oh, really?
Cold but not freezing says, yep.
Yeah.
See, Australia in May,
That's still autumn. March, April, May.
it's like American women. They're cold but not freezing. Or something like that. Bang! All right, Mikey, welcome to the show.
Just a lot of people suddenly laughed.
Yeah, suddenly, whoa, didn't mean to
Great.
offend you all. Sometimes the humor just doesn't come out the way it should. Right, Mikey?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
nice to see you, buddy.
So you'll need to bring a jacket, Joe.
Yeah, bring a jacket, Joe.
Bring a couple
Snow
of jumpers.
in Minnesota. Good Lord, Amber. Oh, my God.
Snow in Minnesota. Oh, wow. So maybe our summer's going to go for a little bit longer.
That's where Fargo is, isn't it? Anyway,
Oh, it might have been.
so...
Or was it Dakota?
Fargo, yeah, and Dakotas. Right. Ramona.
Wasn't
welcome.
it Dakota?
Yeah, North or South Dakota. Fargo is North
But
Dakota.
she said Minnesota.
I know. It's all the same to me. You
Okay.
cross that river,
Ends with an A. It's the
once
same in
you hit
26.
Ohio, it's the West Coast as far as I'm concerned.
Okay.
Right.
We're going to say, so go to freeneville.com.
That is the rightness, everyone.
Join us in
Manifesting Mastery Course.
.com.
North Dakota. That's right.
North Dakota.
North
That was
Dakota.
it.
That's right. I love Fargo. I mean, like, seriously. I mean, there was
We
some
liked the
damn
series.
Good,
The
damn good
movie
writing.
wasn't
That
so good.
movie was a little weird, but
Yeah.
all right,
But
Joey.
the
welcome
series
to the
was
show.
ace.
So we
Hello,
told them to go to
Joey.
freeneville.com. There's a
Yep.
lot of stuff.
Yep.
Join us at manifestingmasterycourse.com. I had a couple
That's
lovely
right.
sign-ups today. I forget who. Anne was one, and...
And this comes to our show.
No, she's
Another
already
Anne.
been. And who else? Nathan,
Nathan, was it?
shout out. All right.
Shout out,
Wayne.
Nathan. Hello,
Heidi,
Wayne.
welcome to the show.
So we're doing that, and for refunds, go to feealitrealfun.com.
Yep, and
Right.
for those of you that are on the live call, I'm going to send out the email reminder right after the show.
Yep.
So it's going to be fun. So bang, fully booked.
Okay,
So,
good.
Victoria, let's read
What do we got? Our seed time. So it's slip sliding away.
Yeah, it's like my life is slip sliding away.
That's right.
Alrighty, excellent. By the way, you ever notice that people? Yeah, I notice this all the time. That there are people that, like the time. Where does it go? With the money, where did it went?
The time for me.
Yeah, the time. Where did it go? The money.
go?
Where did it went? I mean, I'm sure I had money and time in my wallet or someplace. Meanwhile,
Yeah.
Catherine is joining the
Hello,
show.
Catherine. Okay, so our seed time is that moment in time when you and I react to anything in this world.
Anything.
Anything.
Keyword.
slip sliding away.
That's right.
You've reacted.
Yep.
It may be an
Look at it,
object, it may be an individual, it may be a bit of news that we have overheard. But the moment of reaction, that emotional response, is our attitude. This was our quote last week.
Well, we do use a lot of the same quotes. Apparently people don't listen to them or something. I don't know.
Our attitude.
Refund. Oh, good night, Catherine.
Oh, sorry,
We'll catch
Kath.
on the refund.
Yeah,
Hoo-ah.
you need to sleep.
Yeah. The final
Our
frontier.
attitudes are the seed time of life, and although we may not remember the seed time or the moment of response, nature never forgets. And when it suddenly appears in our world...
Alrighty, guys. Ready?
Yep.
So I've got 3 primary states. If you've done manifesting to the max or heard me yak a lot.
Yeah, I've heard you like loads.
Okay, so what are my 3 primary states? Somebody start typing, right? So I've got 3 primary states with 1 core quality.
Yep.
I love that because it's a very nice model.
Yeah.
Right? Because it enables me to basically flow from one to the other pretty darn fast. And when I lose one, I can find the other and just...
Yep. When
It's-
you
it's-
lose it.
When I lose it, and you will, right? So
Yeah.
Some people say, I imagine I'll never... No, Neville says your state will be contaminated. It will be, trust me. Loving teacher's one, that is right. Walter.
Very good.
Loving puppy,
Puppy
dad,
dad, that is
Walter.
right.
Oh man, you were loving husband, loving teacher, loving puppy dad. Yasmin
Yes.
Maxwell gets the
And
prize.
the core quality, yep, was loving.
That's right.
That's
now,
right.
and husband. Thanks, buddy. Cool.
Yeah.
So, here's the thing, guys. Ready? Facebook has this thing called Facebook Live.
Yes.
Yep.
We're using it right now.
Now, y'all know that they did it for me,
Yes.
right? Because we imagine this, we've talked about this,
Yeah,
right?
because we asked and they said, no, sorry.
Yeah,
you're
we
not-
asked
you're
in
not
the
good
old
enough."
days whenever they only gave it to celebrities, and they said, you're not celebrity enough. This is, you don't understand. Anyway, so watch this, guys. Ready?
Yes.
Facebook still has Facebook Live
Yep.
every day.
Yep.
It's there 24/7.
Yep.
And you know who uses it?
We do.
We do.
Yeah.
3 times a day. Once for the show, twice for meals. Why? Because I am crazy about sharing my food, right?
And what about the podcast?
Well, the podcasts are not on Facebook Live.
Oh, no, of course, that's right.
Right. But we could always do a Facebook Live of me doing a podcast, which could be fascinating.
Oh,
Right.
yes.
We'll do that. That'll be good fun. So here's the deal, guys. Ready?
Yes.
I am reacting to the Facebook. Right?
Yes.
I saw a photo the other day, and it showed, it was like on Swanston Street here in Melbourne, which we can
Yes.
take you to when you come here, right?
Yes.
And it showed a bunch of guys standing along a building reading the newspaper. This is from like 50 years ago.
Oh, cool.
Okay? Just a bunch of guys standing around reading the newspaper. Then it showed a photo from like today,
Everyone on their phones.
everybody on their phone, right?
Yeah.
And the thing is, like everyone says, oh, the phones and the Facebook, it's destroying society. It's making people not talk to each other. Nah, we could blame the newspaper, we could blame the radio, we could blame caveman drawings, we could blame women walking past, because when the women's walk past, what do the men's do? Right? They stop talking, right? So we could blame a whole bunch of things. Okay, some people are really into the blame game. They hate the Facebook, they hate the newspaper, they hate the radio, they hate, right? That tells you something. Versus, I'm reacting to Facebook. Loving teacher loves to teach.
Yeah.
So you know what he does?
Teachers.
He teaches, right?
Yeah.
So when I see that the Facebook is there, I go, wow, let's teach on it.
Yeah.
You get it? So this whole thing of your reactions create your reality. Your reactions to the world are your seed time, right? When you imagine something fully enough, you do it. Right? You see, you get it? It's not that I'm hiding in my closet waiting for people to knock on the door and say, teach me. Right? That's nuts, right? Teacher teaches. And teacher goes, ooh, I could teach on that. Right? Way back in the old days, Victoria.
Yes.
I lived in the backwoods of southwestern Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, right? At the base of the mountain, right?
Yep.
You'd get like 30 inches of snow on a warm day.
Yeah.
Right?
Where there would be mountain men.
Mountain men. You met some of them, right? Lovely
I met
folks.
some of the
right?
mountain men.
You got to see some deers hanging in some places where deer shouldn't be hanging.
Yep.
Right? So meanwhile,
Drank
back
some
at the
moonshine.
French, drank some moonshine.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I was imagining teaching lots and lots and lots and lots. And some people would actually, locals would train with me. People would come and train with me. But then I discovered this thing called VHS video. Right? And I went, damn, I could actually film me teaching something and sell it on this thing called the eBay that someone made up.
Yeah.
I could get paid with the PayPal, right? So this is good fun. So I'm reacting to the eBay, the VHS video, the PayPal, right? I called PayPal about 2 years ago. And they said, "Oh my God!" I'm like, "What?" And they're like, "You're one of our first people." I said, "I know. I like the PayPal." So you get it?
Yeah.
You're always reacting to the quote unquote the world from a state. My job is done.
So was this a person's question, or was this just something you stole?
This is actually something that came through about 3 emails last night, where people they're imagining, but nothing's happening. Nothing. You're not imagining enough.
It's just lift that poor foot. Good.
All right. So
Right. So for them, with a slip sliding away, whatever it was,
sliding away.
what state are you in?
Nuts.
No. Yeah, is that what we're asking that person or mentioning to that person?
If
You
life
feel
is
like
slip
that?
sliding away,
Yeah.
right? You're in the state of yep. There's the pretty girl. Yep. Versus if you imagine something fully enough, right? Her wiggle will change, and so will yours.
Wiggle.
Right?
Right.
The truth. And this is the cool thing, because Facebook didn't let normal people have Facebook Live. They were doing it with celebrities. They told me no. I said, we'll see about this. Right? I didn't say it to them, and it's not the words, it's the attitude. And like 2 weeks later, we've got our, hey, welcome to Facebook Live because Periscope sucks show. Right? Because it did. And that's what's cool, because if you really move, okay, the movement happens. Your body is part of the universe. And you won't find life sliding away, and I don't have time, and I don't have money. I swear to God, you imagine doubling your income and working half the time, something will change. But you really have to imagine it, not just fantasize about it. If you really move into living from what implies your wish has already been fulfilled. I just got a lovely letter this morning. I can't say names because I didn't ask. But they said, yeah, my little side biz, I'm doubling my income right now. And I'm on like day 84 or something. I'm manifesting mastery.
Sweet. Go on.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
This is the stuff that we live for, because it's like, yep, I'm imagining twice as much money in the bank. Well, I checked again today, nothing happened. Checked it again today, nothing happened. There are times where it'll happen, right? The money will show up. And there's also times where you get to move because you've moved. Loving husband actually asked her last night, do you want a wine? Right? What did she say?
Yes, I'd like one. Can you bring it to me,
absolutely, right?
Yes.
Loving husband doesn't go, I'm imagining Victoria with a wine.
I'm imagining Victoria with a wine.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, got
Right?
ya.
You get it?
Yeah.
If I imagine her with a wine enough, odds are I'm going to get up. And if I don't, by the way, she just might go, you know what, I'm taking a break and getting a wine. Right? There'll be a movement. I promise you. But don't resist your movements. So, questions, comments, thoughts, everyone. By the way, it's 42 days. I should have looked at the time. But it's like 42 days. I'll tell you what.
Oh,
you talk.
yes.
I'll bring this up because it's really cool.
Yes.
So you answer questions.
Okay, so if anyone's got any questions, pop them up now.
All right, what do you got? What's your question? What's your
Otherwise,
comment?
we're probably going to start making a move.
Doobie 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 doo.
A lot of wine. Yes. A wine. When I have a wine. No, I don't actually. Cool.
All right, you got to talk, babe. I'm doing
Well,
this
they're not asking me anything.
part. Fill up the airspace. Talk
Come
about
on.
something.
Okay.
We got a live call?
So we've got a live call in a couple of hours or whatever it is. So excellent for all the
There it
people
is.
that are going to be on it. It's fully booked.
Baby,
Meanwhile, what we want to know from this show, seeing there's no questions, we want to know, what did you learn? What did you learn about you? And what was your best bit? And if you can pull a Paddy and put that down there, how many states do we have room for in our lives? Whoa. Is there a limit?
When you get what you are, God, I give life to the valley. To a loving teacher, loving husband, loving puppy, dad. When you get what you are, you get that you are what gives life to everything. And then what do you want to give life to specifically for your localized experience?
Yeah. Yeah.
Green Acres is the
I get
place to
that
be.
the core quality is ace, like having one core quality, and then it can extend to so many different states. Like you could be Loving Neighbour with Ron.
I am loving
Friend.
neighbor with Ron. I could be Let's Kill 'Em All like God sort of out neighbor.
Yeah.
I was that a long time ago.
Yeah.
Right? Someone to the neighbor and we
Victoria,
told them, look,
what
you know.
states do I live from? Oh, I live from Yogini, Garden Girl, and yes, wife and puppy mum. They're mine. And there's probably more.
42 days. Okay, quick question, guys. Ready? What is in 42 days, 3 hours, 48 minutes, and 48 seconds?
47 seconds.
47 seconds. Ready? Okay,
Yeah.
48. Or sorry, 42 days, 3 hours, 48 minutes, and 40 seconds. Look at this. Here you go. You
There's a
guys can't see it.
countdown. Can they see it there?
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold it for a
Oh, they
sec.
could see it the way I was holding.
Oh, could they?
All right.
Look, Melbourne in May. There's a countdown clock.
Oh, is that cool or what? That was part of what I did this weekend.
Yeah.
By the way, talking about countless states, there's a little geek guy in me, right? So I geeked that out. That was good fun. There's the marketer, the sales guy, the communicator, the NLP guy, right? Hundreds of states. Here's the one thing I noticed: people that are like slip sliding away, waiting for my one thing, the one thing that'll make it all right. It's slip sliding away. Right?
That's right, Tamika.
They don't
Australia.
have enough going on.
Yeah.
I mean it when I say, by the way, when you come here and you watch me talk about my valley, it's mine. This is not a metaphor. I imagine that I give life to it. No, it's mine, right? I give life to it, fucking all, right? Yeah, when you get what you are, boom, right? Amber, you know why I do this? I love sticking songs in people's heads. You know, it's just like, yeah. Good morning, Amber. Slip, slide, away. I tell you what. Later on, we're going to be doing some funky Cold Medina.
Funky Cold Medina.
Right, that came out when I was
All right.
a cop, I believe. That or the Wild Thing. And man, I had to live in a police car with that in my head all day because it would show up. I mean, you're rolling down the road. Dun 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 dun. It was bad, man.
Okay, so
Alrighty.
that's it.
I-
Looks like Sheena
Yeah, what a
and
show.
Patty aren't here.
Okay,
And
so
I haven't seen anyone put up what they learn about, what did you learn about you, and what was your best bit.
we call that pulling a patty. Tone Loke. That's right. Funky Cold Medina.
Meanwhile, go to freenever.com.
Yeah, join us in the Medina.
Yes, join us in May in 42 days, 3 hours, 46 minutes, and 40 seconds.
That's right. That's
May,
one more
May,
we'll be
May.
going. Funky Cold Medina.
And for refunds, go to feelitrealfun.com.
That is the rightness, everyone. Have a lovely day. That was
Yeah.
good fun.
Yeah.
Remember, when you move, things move. Right? Don't resist the movement. Okay? Did you know there's a cure for all songs stuck in the theme song for I Dream of Jeannie?
Oh, I loved I Dream of Jeannie.
Oh, Mikey, sing it. I'll bring you on camera.
Yeah.
Da, da,
Yeah,
da, da,
do
da.
that,
No,
do
we
that.
can't because it'll ruin
Do,
the
do,
upload.
do, 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 do.
You're still here. I love that Mikey's still here.
I know, he doesn't say anything until he's
he's a
he's
lurker.
like a stalker.
That's right. He is a ninja, but
Oh, yeah, true. He's
that's
a
right. He's like a
ninja.
9 foot tall ninja, like
Yeah.
Mikey.
Yeah.
Right. All right. We're done.
Okay, we're done. Yep.
So,
Hear you on the call. It'll be 8.
oh yeah, those of you that are on the live call, we're gonna send out the email in just a few moments.
Yep. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.
Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
And Andrew and Yasmin, how about if we all go for lunch at that place right up the road?
I'd like to.
It would be nice.
Yeah.
So
We
plan on
thought-
that.
yeah.
So
It will be good.
So bring
after
some
the call.
bring some change.
Some change.
Change
Okay.
comes from within.
Cool.
Da, 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 da.
See you.